In this video, I'll show you how to send files between two Windows computers using LocalSend. Before you begin, make sure LocalSend is installed and running on both PCs and that both devices are connected to the same local network. On the computer you're sending the file from, open LocalSend and click Send. If you don't see the other computer in the list, click Search Devices and wait a few seconds for it to appear. Next, choose what you want to send. You can send a file, a folder, text, or use paste to send content directly from your clipboard. Select the file or other content you want to transfer. Now click on the device you want to send it to. On the receiving computer, a transfer request will appear. You can either accept or decline the request. Before accepting, you can also choose a different folder if you don't want to save the file to the default download location. Click Accept to begin the transfer. Once the transfer is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. On the sending computer, simply click Done to finish. You can now quickly send files between two Windows PCs without using cloud storage, USB drives, or cables. If this tutorial helped you, check out my other videos to learn more useful features.